Welcome to the 7th video of the module 1, that is vector calculus. In this video I am going to explain the problems on integral theorems, where in the previous video I already explained what are the integral theorems. Evaluate xy dx plus xy square dy by Stokes theorem, where C is the square in the xy plane with the vertices 1, 0, minus 1, 0, 0, 1 and 0, minus 1. So this is the diagram. You can observe 1, 0 is the first vertex. Then 0, 1 we can see here, and 1, minus 1, 0 and 0, minus 1. This is the diagram. So here integral of f dot dr is nothing but curl f dot n cap ds is given by del cross f into dot of n cap ds. From the given integral, it is evident that the f is given by xyi plus xy square j, since dr is dxi plus dyj plus dzk. Hence xy dx plus, that is by multiplying this f and dr by a dot product, what do we get is xy dx plus xy square dy, and this dz will not be there because the k term is not there. Then that is equal to f dot of dr, which is evaluated by applying the Stokes theorem. So now the curl f is equal to del cross f, that is given by determinant consisting of first row as ijk, second row is dou by dou x, dou by dou y and dou by dou z. The third row is xy square and 0. Next, the curl f is given by y squared minus x into k on expanding the determinant. Further, ds is given by dy dz of I plus dz dx of j plus dx dy of k. Next, curl f dot ds, if you take, it will be y squared minus x into dx dy, because we have only the k term. So when we multiply, that is, we take the dot product of curl f and ds, these two will not be there, it will vanish. Only dx dy will be multiplied with y squared minus x, that is curl f. It can be clearly seen from the figure that x is varying between minus 1 to plus 1 and y is varying between minus 1 to plus 1. So, double integral of curl f dot ds is given by x varying from minus 1 to plus 1 and y varying from minus 1 to plus 1, y squared minus x into dx dy. That is, first we will be integrating with respect to y. Here it has to be interchanged, because this has to be y and this has to be x here. So when we interchange this and integrate, what we will be getting here is y cube by 3 minus y cube by 3 minus xy, we get it from y equal to minus 1 to plus 1. So again, when we substitute the limit 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3 minus x times of 1 plus 1 we will be getting. Next, this 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 will be 2 by 3 minus of 1 plus 1 will be 2x. Next, again we need to integrate this. So what do we get here is 2 by 3x minus x square from minus 1 to plus 1. This on simplification we are going to get it as 4 by 3. Next problem. if f is equal to 2x squared minus 3z of I minus 2xyj minus 4xk, evaluate triple integral del dot f dv, where v is the region bounded by the planes x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, z is equal to 0 and 2x plus 2y plus z is equal to 4. Solution. First we will find what is del dot f. The del dot f is given by dou x of 2x square minus 3z plus dou by dou y of minus 2xy plus dou by dou z of minus 4x is equal to 2x. Here z varies from 0 to 4 minus 2x minus 2y, and when z is equal to 0, we get 2x plus 2y is equal to 4 or x plus y is equal to 2. And y varies from 0 to 2 minus x. Z is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0 will give us 2x is equal to 4 or x is equal to 2. So x varies from 0 to 2. Now let us consider the integral. The first integral is x is varying from 0 to 2 and y is varying from 0 to 2 minus x and z is varying from 0 to 4 minus 2x minus 2y into this is the integral, that is 2x into dz, dy and dx. So now we integrate this first. 2x z we get it because first we are integrating with respect to z and the limits are 0 to 4 minus 2x minus 2y. When we substitute, anyway that z is equals to 0 will become 0, only the upper limit will be substituted and 2 is taken outside, which is a constant. So x times of 4 minus of 2x minus 2y into dy dx we get it. Next, again we will integrate this with respect to y. We get 4xy minus 2x square y minus xy square, 2xy, so y square divided by 2 we get it. This 2 and 2 cancels, we get only xy square, where y is 0 to 2 minus x into dx. So this on simplification we are getting 4x into, that is on substitution of y as 2 minus x, we get 4x times of 2 minus x minus 2x square times of 2 minus x times of 2 minus x the whole square into dx. Now we need to simplify this and then integrate. So after simplification we are getting x cube minus 4x squared plus 4x into dx. Then on integration, x cube integral is x power 4 by 4 and x square is x cube by 3 and x is x square by 2 and 4 and 2 gets cancelled, we get 2x square here. Where the limit of x is 0 to 2, on substitution we are getting 8 divided by 3. That is the answer we are getting. Let's see the next problem. Using the divergence theorem, evaluate f ds, double integral of f ds, where f is equal to x square minus yz of I plus y square minus xz of j plus z square minus xy of k. But we have by the divergence theorem, triple integral along v of du f dv is equal to double integral along s of f dot n cap ds. Now du f is given by del dot f, that is dou by dou x of x squared minus yz plus dou by dou y of y square minus zx plus dou by dou z of x square minus xy. Here when I take dou by dou x of x square minus yz, we will get 2x, and this dou by dou y of y square minus xz will be 2y, and dou by dou z of z square minus xy will be 2z. So on simplification we can take the 2 outside, we get x plus y plus z. So the divergence of f dv is given by x varying from 0 to a, y varying from 0 to b, z varying from 0 to c, 2 times of x plus y plus z into dz dy into dx. That means First we need to integrate it with respect to z and substitute the limits 0 to c. Then we get 2xz plus 2yz plus z square divided by 2, but this 2 will be cancelled, so we are getting only z square. Now let us substitute z as c. We get 2cz plus 2yc plus c square. When we integrate the same thing with respect to y, we get 2xcy y square plus c squared y, where y is from 0 to b. With respect to x, we have to integrate. Next, when I substitute in the place of y as b, what we are getting? Y is equal to 0 to b. So, we get 2bc. Here this y will not be there. 2bcx plus cb square plus c square b into dx. And this on integration with respect to x, what do I get is bc x square by 2. This 2 will be cancelled with the x square by 2, and b square cx and bc square, where x is from 0 to a. Then what do I get is x square, that is a square bc plus ab square c plus abc square. Then we can take abc outside, we get a plus b plus c. This is the required integral we are getting. Thank you.